Welcome back to the Open Cook. Today I'm going to be doing a chicken
Caldereta. Caldereta?
I think that's how you say it. I'll put it over here. So for this we've got carrots chopped, potatoes, tomatoes, red bell peppers and some sweet peppers, onions, garlic, Knorr chicken stock cube, got some grated cheese, some liver paste and some passata. And also I've got some chicken over there which I've got to chop up anyway. So first of all, I'm going to get some, I'm going to use vegetable oil in there and cook off the carrots and the potatoes. So we'll see you in a minute. In with the potatoes. We'll cook the carrots at the same time. So just start getting a little bit of colour on them. Okay, so these are done. Well, they're not done, but they're cooked enough. So we'll take these out, put them into this bowl. Into the same pan, the chicken. Chicken is just about started to go, started to get a little bit brown on it, so we'll take that out. Just a tad of oil. Add tomatoes, our onions, garlic. We'll saute these down to the onions go soft, and also the tomatoes. Okay, so we're going to add our chicken back in. Tomato passata, one and a half cups of water, and we'll bring this to the boil. So, Knorr chicken stock cube. The only thing that this isn't going to get is chili peppers, because I'm not a fan of it, and I'd have to stab Mrs. Urban with an EpiPen if she ate it, so yeah, it's not getting it. So we'll cover that, and we'll be back in about 10 to 15 minutes. Add in our liver spread. Go for another 5 minutes. Adding our peppers. Cheddar cheese. Go for another 5 minutes. Add back in our carrots and potatoes. Black pepper. A little bit of salt. And we'll cook that for about another 5 to 7 minutes. So we'll see you soon. Okay, so there we go.
Chicken caldereta. Caldereta?
I don't know. No, I'm not sure how to say it, but I think it's right. I'll put it over here somewhere. So we've got obviously chicken cut into pieces. Chicken stock cube, carrots, potatoes. I used tomato passata, bell peppers, some liver spread, and some tomatoes just chopped up. I didn't use the chilli because, well, I told you why, but I don't use it. Onion, garlic, cheddar cheese, and obviously cooking oil and all that good stuff. So I'll put the list in the description. So got to give it a go, ain't you? It just gets better and better. I've done this one quite a few times now, and every time it's really, really nice. So, yeah. The rice is Basmati rice. I've run out of jasmine, but I had Basmati, so it's still good. So, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers. See you later.